Sweet, sweet story, sweet, sweet story, story with Saran.
Why didn't you play with Ravi today in park, dear?
Because he's a boy. Boys are not allowed in our girls' team.
I see. Shall I tell you a story, dear?
Yes, Mommy, hooray!
Hello, my dear sweet kids. Our story's title is We Are One. In a deep jungle, there lived Zebu, the zebra. He felt very sad as he didn't have any zebra friend to play with. He walked sad and alone. Tok, 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 tok. What happened? Why are you sad, friend? Asked a very big elephant. Zebu looked up and asked, how can a big elephant and a small zebra be friends? We both have same 4 legs and a tail. We are one. You are my cousins. No, stop that. Zebu interrupted the elephant and left. Why, long-faced buddy? Asked a deer. Zebu looked up and asked, how can a deer with big antlers and a zebra with no antlers be buddies? We both eat same grass as food. We are one. You are my cousins. You too, dear? No, said Zebu and left. Animals fear seeing me. Not be sad. I am full now, so don't worry. Wanna play a game with me? Asked a tiger. How can a grass-eating zebra and a flesh-eating tiger play together? Asked Zebu. We both have same black stripes. We are one. You are my cousins. What? You too, tiger? No, said Zebu and left. A flying stork stopped by and asked, why, sad-faced friend? How can a flying stork and a galloping zebra be friends? Asked Zebu. We both have same black and white skin. We are one. You are my cousins. No, stop that, said Zebu and left as usual. Suddenly, he heard a loud roar. It was the king of the jungle, the lion. Why are you sad, my jungle mate? Asked the lion. I have no similar friend to play with, said sad Zebu. Why don't you play with me? Asked the king. How can a king play with his people? Asked the zebra. We both have same manes in our neck. We both share same energies, same smile and same love. We are all one. Same pinch, smiled the lion. Zebu thought for a while, smiled and said, cashews and raisins, we are cousins. From that day, Zebu played together with all the jungle animals.
We are one, birds of the same tree. We are one, drops from the same rain. We are one, born on the same planet. We are one, covered by the same sky. We are one, gazing at the same stars. We are one, breathing the same air. We are one, together we'll have fun.
So kids, oneness is a strong feeling of closeness. Like the blood that unites one family, our love unites our one world. Shall we say it? Cashews and raisins, we are cousins. Shall we say it together this time? Cashews and raisins, we are cousins. Fun fact time. A new statistical analysis confirms that All life on earth shares a single common ancestor. According to the leading geneticists, no human being of any race can be less closely related to any other human than approximately 50th cousin, and most of us are a lot closer. Parent tips. Teaching gender equality to kids doesn't require special preparations. Let children learn by observation. As a husband and wife, we must speak to each other with respect, share and handle household works together. Show kids role models from different genders, ethnicities, and color. Let both gender kids share any household work from washing vessels to buying household things and have same return home time. Let them know that both are equal inheritors of parental property. Happy parenting! Would you play with boys tomorrow, dear?
Yes, mommy, not just boys. I'll play with every cousin. Like, share, subscribe.